Today we're going to be changing out the throttle body on our 2006 Ford Mustang. It's located right here. And before you start this operation, please unhook your battery on the negative side. We've unhooked it and put a towel in there so it doesn't touch. The tools you'll need for this operation is a ratchet. I have an extension and 8mm. Okay, and let's get started. You need to come over here to the throttle position sensor and pull this back and push down on the tab and pull it out. So your tab's right there. Just push down on it and it comes right out. Second one you'll have to do is over here on the actuator and just pull the tab back and push down and pull out. Okay, push down on that right there. All right, let's get those out of the way. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take this air intake hose off the throttle body, and for that you can use your 8mm or a flathead screwdriver. See it popping up there. Just enough so you can get it off. There we go. All right, and put that right there. Put that right there. Now we have access to, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, and then down here, 3. And 4 right there. Those are going to be next. They're also 8mm. So I'm going to start on the bottom. One. Now that we have it off, you can see there's a gasket here, and our new one should come with another gasket. If your gasket looks fine, I think you can leave it in, but either way, you should wipe it down and make sure that there's no debris. This is a microfiber cloth we have here, so just wipe this down. There's a little bit of debris in there. It's probably going to throw it off. And we'll wipe that out. Now it's ready for our new unit. We have our new throttle body here, and we're gonna line it up and put some screws in. Just gonna get them started. Intake hose here, go back on. Just tighten up so that it doesn't come off. Put our clips back on. All right, we're gonna reconnect our battery. There we go. To get the throttle body acclimated to the car, what we're gonna do is we turned our air conditioning off and closed our doors, put it in ignition mode, and we're gonna press our foot down on the gas pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that should be all the way down to the ground. And then we're gonna come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And now we're gonna start the car. Check engine light should be off. And if you had a wrench light, that should also be off. And now we're gonna let the car idle for about 15 minutes so that the throttle body gets an idea of what the idle speed should be. And then we'll probably just take her for a spin and make sure that all the codes stay off. Well, it's been about 15 minutes now, so we're gonna turn it off. Let it sit for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to start it again. No check engine light, no wrench. I'm going to take it out for a test drive, and that should fix our problem. We took the car home for the evening and drove it around. I think we put about 31 miles on it. And we're gonna put our code reader in. Just make sure that there's no codes. And we're all green. And that's how you change out your throttle body on your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. Now, this process worked for us, but if you change out your throttle body and you still have a wrench or you're in limp mode or a check engine light and a code, please see a certified mechanic to have them fix your car for you. But this worked for us, and we hope it works for you too. If this video did help you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.